right here. So we're going to kill our injector. Watch our fuel trim. No change. Let's try a different cylinder. I didn't try this yet because you can see they're not blue. Let's just do like 5. Okay. Let's go to our short term and long term. This also might not be working, so I have no idea if this works. Let's see. Long term. Short term. Oh, you can hear the change in the engine. Looks like it froze our fuel trims though. So I don't know if this is valid. Well, I guess it's a valid test because it didn't change anything on the other cylinder.